Ngikubingelele mlaleli, ngikwamukele ku-channel yethu ezinohlonze Trending News. Namhlanje-ke bengicela sithokozeleke nansi ividiyo kasisi uThuliswa esiza abantu ngokubaxwayisa ngobungozi bezibuko endlini.
Awuthi ngiseve impilo yenu ngento beningayitshela ukuthi ingozi kangakanani. Ama-mirror are so dangerous, guys. I was growing up, I didn't understand why I had such a huge fear of mirrors amakhulu in homes. Like leyo nto engenza so uncomfortable, even in movies. In movie nje normal, umuntu make wahamba next to a mirror, like I always expected something horrible to happen, and angiyazi ukuthi iqhamukaphi leyo nto because ngikhuluma ngento eyayenzeka ngisamncane. Now that I know, I am just like kushuthi ilokhuzana igazi lami belingitshela, kushuthi umoya wami nje ubungitshela ukuthi khona into ekufanele vele isatshwe in mirrors. Ibuko uma ngabe ulala, never ever place isibuko siqondane nawe uma ngabe ulele. Isibuko should not capture a reflection yakho uma ngabe ulele. Thina abantu besintu sibiza ubuthongo ngobuthongo ngoba umphefumulo uyatravela to emathongweni, uyolokhuza, uyoncela knowledge, unikwa amaphupho, unikwe yabona nje izinto abantu abadala noNkulunkulu abafuna ukukurevealela zona, prophetic dreams. All of those things happen because umphefumulo wakho uyatravela. We are basically spirit walkers as abantu abamnyama. I don't know about other cultures. So now mangabe umphefumulo wakho usuyatravela uyokhuluma nabantu abadala, uyoncela leyo wisdom leyo, uma usubuya umphefumulo wakho kuthiwa kuyenzeka ukuthi utrapheke esibukweni because uyadideka ngoba usuke usumbili nasi isibuko lana nangu wena la embedeni, umphefumulo ugcina usungena elokhuzaneni esibukweni, kukhulunywa indaba yokuthi ayisivuka usibani baneshonile. Postmortem ebithini kuthiwa they were perfectly healthy, there was nothing wrong, no heart attack, nothing, bathi nje uvele wayilalela nje wangaphinde wavuka. It's those situations engicabanga ukuthi ziya contributor to labantu ekuvele bashone ngendlela enga-understandeki. Another thing ngimele ni-avoid outside of ukuqondanisa wena nesibuko, ukuqondanisa izibuko ezimbili. Izibuko ezimbili shouldn't face each other ngoba zi-create i-portal for imimoya ukuthi ingene, yabo. Uma ngabe sisodwa isibuko sine-potential yokuthi sine-potential yokuthi ingaba khona into ephumayo, but ama-chances are there has to be ama-conditions that allow for ukuthi lo mphefumulo leyo mimoya ikhone ukungena. And those conditions are ama-conditions where mhlampe as a family i-frequency yenu i-low, asithi mhlampe kushoniwe, leyo i-opportunity yemimoya ukuthi izoxhumela ngala. That's why abantu abadala ngemingcwabo kuyafihlwa kwasani eyisibuko babeyazi leyo nto. Lezi-ke ezimbili ezibhekene kuba uthela wayeka, ube uthela wayeka kwakho, ubona nje wena kunezinto ezinga-understandeki, into kade uyibeke la ayisekho, into oyithenge last week isiphukile, furniture yakho kuphuka kudabuka usofa ngendlela ongayi-understand, kuvele konakale your finances, yonke into ivele yonakale ngenxa yokuthi kugida kwasani la kwakho yemimoya ilokhu iyangena nje, iyangena through lezibuko lezi. And leyo nto leyo igcina isikhoza iy'nkinga emndenini. Outside of ukufa kwayo yonke into, ni-draineka i-energy. You wake up every morning tired, engazuthi kade ubelethe osimende abawu-10, uhlezi kunento la kanti kunesilwane that's latched onto you. Kunemimoya, guys, enamathelayo kuwena, not just ukuthi nje izoncela i-life force yakho. Umuntu nimbona eqoqodeka phambi kwenu, ninga-understand ukuthi yini, akagula, akaphethwe lutho, ukhala ngokukhathala nje, ukhala ngokukhathala, ukhala ngokuthi akalali kahle because sekunento esiletshe onto them. So zonke lezi zinto, guys, kumele siyinake. Ukufelwa izinto endlini kuvele kube into encane nje, ukucracker kwecup, ukuhlephuka kwesitulo esiyi-1 kwi-dining room set yakho, ukuhlephuka kwe-remote, ukuhlephuka kwekhabethe ekitchen, ukuqhephuka kwethale eliyi-1 ebathroom, ukucracka kwesibuko esiyi-1, all of those things ama-sign ukuthi usune-infestation yemimoya eminingi, and lapho suke sekufanele ukuthi ubizeke omama bomthandazo kuzokhuleka ukuze ispace sakho sizokuhlenzeka, ushise okushiswayo enishisayo, kuchelwe okuchelwayo, because these things zingena. And imimoya into eyisicefe ngayo, umuntu owashona wangalandwa or watrepheka in that mirror uyohlala ahlale kune-frustration, there's a lot iya-evolve nayo le mimoya. Uthola ukuthi now iy'ngane zisakwazi ukulala because these things are finding new ways ukuthi zini-terrorize. Guys, like kuningi, ningahamba nje niyofunda nibheke ilokhuzana, all the stories about mirrors. I think avoid mirrors. And also if you are buying a house, ufice kunama-mirror amakhulu ashiyiwe lapho athi umuntu nje no ngiyanipha, you can inherit lawo ma-mirror, khiphani leyo nto niyilahle khiphani leyo nto niyilahle, because kunama-cultures abatrapha imimoya kuma-mirrors ngamabomu, kube into nje ukuthi bayawatrapha. Then wena uthatha leyo nto ufike ube ne-housewarming, kuthandazwe whatever spell bebeyenzile, because the kind of frequency you tap into mawutrapha imimoya ne-frequency you tap into mawuthandaza i-different, and sometimes it can nullify whatever spell esuke ikhastiwe ukuthi leyo mimoya ivaleleke kuleyo mirror. So nje never allow for yourself to inherit mirrors. Uyayikhipha imirror ongayazi, uyabonga bakunike, uyithathe leyo nto uyiphahlaze futhi uyiphahlazele ngale emgwaqweni, uyipakishe emgqomeni, hlukane nokuhlupheka, ngoba ziningi izinto. Ngiyazi ukuthi kunamalokhuzana, there are certain rituals amandiya awenzayo ukuthi atraphe imimoya ey'bukweni. Ziningi manje nezinye izinto, like ukuya kuma-yard sale, uthenge immese, uthenge i-cutlery, uthenge ilokhuzana, ama-t-shirt, uthenge ama-hairpin, yabo, all of those things guys, ama-jewelry akudala. Avoid those things because imimoya latch onto izinto. If mina ngiyashona 50 years from now, i-ring yami yomshado ibekwe, uma ngabe kuwukuthi it was the most precious thing to me outside of iy'ngane zami, chances are ngizobambelela kuleyo ring, and you'll start having issues. Usuyithengile angithi wena, you'll start having issues. Uthenge i-hairpin, sunama-migraine, you are fainting all the time. Hlukanani nezinto zakuma-yard sale nama-mirror nofice endlini. Ilokho.